Are you ready to embark on a transformative culinary adventure? Get ready to tantalize your taste buds, nourish your body, and make a positive impact on the world. Introducing The Green Plate, a gastronomic journey into plant-based and vegan delights. Imagine indulging in creamy plant-based soups that warm your soul, hearty grain salads that burst with flavor, and refreshing raw salads and dressings that awaken your palate. With The Green Plate, these mouth-watering delights are just the beginning. Picture yourself hosting unforgettable gatherings, and impressing your loved ones with mouth-watering vegan appetizers, delicious dips, spreads, and salsas that steal the spotlight. With The Green Plate, you become the master of culinary creativity. But The Green Plate is more than just a cookbook. It's your comprehensive guide to a sustainable, ethical, and vibrant lifestyle. Dive into its pages and discover the secrets of flavor profiles. Learn to effortlessly balance sweet, savory, sour, and spicy elements in your dishes, and elevate your cooking to new heights. Embrace a plant-based lifestyle that not only benefits your health but also the environment and the animals we share this planet with. The Green Plate covers it all, from sustainable and ethical considerations to wellness practices and invaluable resources that support your journey. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing that every meal you prepare is not only incredibly delicious but also makes a positive impact on the world. With The Green Plate in your hands, you hold the key to a gastronomic revolution. Don't miss your chance to experience the culinary transformation that The Green Plate brings to your table. It's time to awaken your taste buds, nourish your body, and make a difference. Order your copy of The Green Plate now and join the movement towards a vibrant, sustainable, and delicious future. The Green Plate, a gastronomic journey into plant-based and vegan delights. Elevate your cooking, embrace a lifestyle, and experience the power of plant-based deliciousness. Buy now and let the culinary adventure begin.